guys, welcome back to my channel Beleza. It's all about beauty and grace. I really hope you guys are doing good. So recently Sugar Cosmetics has launched a limited collection which is Sugar X Wonder Woman, because we all know 8 March ko hi International Women's Day tha. Basically the limited edition. So in this range they have, I think, few lipsticks. They have 30 lipsticks. So from different range they have everlasting matte lipsticks, they have creamy matte lipstick, they have lip lacquer and 2 mixed face palette. So they have 10 shades of each range of lipstick. So in total they have 30 shades and 2 face palette. So I haven't got the lipstick because you guys have seen I have a lot of liquid lipsticks from Sugar itself, and shades भी काफ़ी हद तक similar था, तो इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिया. And formula pigmentation भी same ही होगा, so that's the reason I skipped. I didn't bought the lipsticks, but I got the face palette, and that's really very tempting. That's really very interesting because that's a very interesting face palette. So I'm gonna talk to you about the details. So yeah, stay tuned. It looks something like this. So this all the range, the X Wonder Woman, they are color coordinated like this with red and blue, because we all know Superwoman, how kind of what kind of dresses they wear, and this 2 colors symbolizes fierce, then bold, independent, calmness, fashionable, because after all women are so fierce, so bold. And yes, so keeping that in mind, they have color coordinated every the range like this. And this comes in the outer packaging is like this, and when you open it you get the palette. So this is a very beautiful palette, and quality is really good. It's not a very like a cheap kind of packaging, like 2-3 बार यूज़ करोगे फिर टूट जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है. क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Price point, keeping that in mind, the price point is only 999, which is amazing. I mean 1000 रुपये से भी 1 रुपये कम, which is amazing. And you get such a nice packaging. It retains, so the logo is really good. It's like a metallic gold finish, which is great. And mirror भी काफ़ी अच्छा size है. I really love the mirror. The mirror is really good. काफ़ी अच्छा size है mirror. This is how the shades looks like. It's a beautiful palette. So since why it is named as mixed palette, mixed face palette, just because they have everything. Like you will get 6 eyeshadows. You will get 1 blush on, 1 highlighter, 1 contour, as well as you will get 2 brush complexion. Or if you are fairer than me, then this palette will looks really good. और आप लोग अगर medium to dark हो तो the orange जो palette है Primal President, you can get that one. And even if you want, you can get 2 palettes as well. Mix and match करके आप कभी भी use कर सकते हो. It's up to your personal choice. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you get only 1 matte shade. This is the 1 matte shade which you can use as a crease shade, and the rest 5 is a foil metallic shade. I think it will be amazing. This is, I guess, this is blush on, this is bronzing or contour shade, and this is highlighter. So ये जो बाकी जो 3 है, blusher, highlighter और contour, ये काफ़ी size is really big, काफ़ी अच्छा size है. The swatch. Okay, so this is the matte crease shade. It's kind of a corally, or you can say a burnt orange kind of shade, which is really nice. And the rest are the metallic shade or the foil shade, which is really metallic, really nice. Okay, these aren't chalky, but the matte one is a bit feels chalky because of course they are matte, they are in powdery finish, so they feel chalky. This one is blush, which is really nice, peachy kind of a shade with a hint of slight pinkish. This one is a contour, or you can say a bronzer shade, and this one is a highlighter one, really pigmented. And the best part is that whenever I'm touching the colors, they are so soft, like it's like it will get melt into your finger. They are so soft, they are so smooth. What I did is that I have only applied moisturizer and BB cream. तो मैंने वो फेस का वो बेस से सब कुछ कर लिया है. अभी मैं आई मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, फिर हाइलाइटर, ब्रॉन्जर, कंटूर ये सब लगाओगी, देन एक लिपस्टिक लगाओगी, शुगर का ही लिपस्टिक लगाओगी, एंड देन आई विल कम बैक एंड आई विल शो यू द फाइनल रिजल्ट. सो हाँ, मैं आप ही के सामने ये सब कुछ लगाऊंगी, सो दैट यू कैन गेट अ बेटर आइडिया ऑफ हाउ द पिगमेंटेशन, हाउ द फॉल आउट, और how everything is in this range. So yeah, let's get started. So first I've applied a matte shade as a crease shade all over my lid. This is the only matte shade available in this palette. Then on the inner side I've applied a bronzy foil metallic shade with the help of the brush, which comes along with the same palette. मिडिल में ही मैंने और एक मेटेलिक शेड लगाया है, विच इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल गोल्डन शैडो. आई लव इट. और आउटर में भी मैंने सेम वो ब्रॉन्जर शेड लगाया है टू कंप्लीट माई होल आई लुक. Then with the help of the same small brush, I have applied a champagne silvery kind of a shade on my inner corners of my eyes to highlight my inner corners. Then I've applied the contour or a bronzing shade on my temples, on my jawlines, on my nose, and I really love it because it blends beautifully. उसके बाद मैंने लगाया है ब्लश which is a mute pink or a nude pink, you can say. It's beautiful, very pigmented. You can definitely build it up, but I really love this look. It's really pigmented, so be careful guys. Look at my cheeks, it's so beautiful. And lastly, I've applied the highlighter. It's a champagne gold highlighter. It's very subtle, but of course you can build it up according to your preference, but I really love this shiny glow. Can you see this? Like whenever I'm moving here and there, it's just shining. So this is my complete look. I really hope you like it. And lipstick में भी मैंने same sugar का ही और एक lipstick लगाया है. I love this fresh glowy peachy look. It's so beautiful. Love it. So guys, as you can see, this is how my makeup is looking out. Like I really like it. The eyeshadows are really pigmented, and they do have less fallout, especially the foil one. But the matte one are having a bit fallout, like which is normal. Like every matte shades, they are powdery, so they do have a bit fallout. But I really love it. You can see how the pigmentation is. The eye looks lovely. The blush is so pigmented. The highlighter is so nice, so subtle, but it's really nice. And the contouring also did a good job, especially on my nose. And yeah, overall I literally like it. I really love how fresh my makeup is looking, especially after applying the blush. I love blush and it really pops out your whole look. Like मुझे blush लगाना बहुत पसंद है. You can see how my cheeks are popping out. It's giving a very nice healthy glow. But definitely if you want, you can definitely build up the color. जितना चाहो आप लगा सकते. It's up to you, because as I've always kept on saying, makeup doesn't have any rule. You are the only one who make rules and break the rules. So yeah, this is how the overall looks like. So definitely if you ask me, surely मैं definitely recommend करूँगी ये palette, because 999 का मिल रहा है. You are getting everything. सब shades आपको मिल रहा है. आप चाहे तो आप mix and match करके बहुत सारे eye looks, बहुत कुछ different create कर सकते हो. Highlighter, blush quantity भी बहुत अच्छी है. And really love it. Definitely still go and grab it because it's a limited edition. आपको नहीं मालूम कि कब है और कब out of stock चला जाए. So before you regret, go and grab it soon. Okay guys, so that's it. I really hope you like and enjoyed the video, enjoyed the makeup I did, and please do let down your comments, because आप लोगों को मालूम है your comments are really valuable to me. And yes, I will see you guys on my next video. Please do take care, please be safe, because corona अभी भी है, COVID अभी भी है. So please do take care, be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.